Spiritual benefits of fasting. One obvious reason to fast is it cleanses the toxins out of your body, and this results in healing. This is what happens at the physical level. There is another main alchemical process that happens at a very subtle level due to fasting. When you fast, it moves a lot of your energy, the sexual fluids, from the lower region up along the spine through the subtle meridian called the Sushumna. This is something that happens as a result of a lot of inner energy work, but then it also happens because of fasting. It happens both during a water fast and a dry fast, but the efficiency is always very high for this transmutation to happen when you do a dry fast. But then when you are new to fasting, it is always good to do a lot of water fast before entering dry fast. So, fasting triggers this alchemical process through which this transmutation of energy happens. When this happens, you move from primary instincts to more of an evolved state of love. This is what is spiritual evolution. And you go up in frequency. You feel the connection between everything. You start to function more from the heart, from the feeling nature. More joy starts to spring through you, and it is so fasting is quite magical. Give it a try. Enjoy your fasting. Start with short fasts like 1 to 3 days, mostly on water, and then try short dry fasts like 1 to 2 days. Take it slow. Always fasting is difficult, brings a lot of physical and mental discomfort at the initial stages, but then as you keep on doing, you start to feel the comfort of it, because when you start to fast, it always removes a lot of toxins and a lot of mental conditioning, and this might be a very difficult stage initially, but then once a lot of cleansing happens, you start to feel good. So enjoy the fasting, enjoy the spiritual journey, and stay high in spirits.